In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Jira to Claude. Now first, you want to go to the left-hand side inside the Claude and click on Customize. Then you want to click on Connect Your Apps, and from here, look for Jira. As you can see here, you're going to have to connect Atlassian Rovo over here to be able to actually access Jira and Confluence. So just click on this plus button. It's going to take you over to Atlassian's site. And then here you have to uncheck everything except for Jira. Now, whenever you have Jira, click on Approve over here. Then it's basically going to start. There we go. As you can see, it already did it. It's going to start loading. And then you simply have to click on this Accept button over here. And whenever you do so, it's going to authorize everything. And it's going to take you back to Claude, where it's going to say that it's been successfully connected. Then you can go back to your connectors, and in here you can go to Atlassian Rovo. You can see the permissions. If you go to the top right, click on View Details, you can also see all the tools you can use to actually kind of interact with Jira inside Claude, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.